Ever wondered which rose to pick for a specific occasion? You're not alone. This vast world of roses, brimming with countless varieties, each carrying its symbolic meaning, can be overwhelming. Our purpose? To guide you through, making your rose selection a breeze. Stay tuned to discover the fascinating world of roses and their significance. Starting off with the most iconic of all, the red rose. This vibrant bloom is a universal symbol of love, respect, and admiration. Perfect for romantic occasions or expressing deep feelings, it's more than just a flower. Next time you want to express your love or admiration, remember the red rose. Moving on to the vibrant yellow roses. These sun-kissed beauties stand for friendship, joy, and good health. They're the perfect pick for celebrations, get-well-soon bouquets, or just to add a pop of cheer in someone's day. So, yellow roses are your go-to for a cheerful, friendly gesture. Now let's talk about the charming pink roses. Symbolizing grace, gentleness, and gratitude, these blooms are perfect for expressing appreciation or commemorating milestones like birthdays and anniversaries. Keep the pink rose in mind when you want to express gratitude or admiration. As you can see, there's a rose for every occasion, from expressing love with red roses, respect with white, joy with yellow, to showing appreciation with pink. Each color sings a unique song. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful guides. Remember, every rose has its occasion.